Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a Kurt Geiger to show you today. So this is a Kurt Geiger Kensington, and it's got this really cool bird, like gemmed bird feature on the front of it. We've got double top handles, which can also be adjusted, just pulled through like that, and then you've got one long strap as well. And this leather, it's got a lovely kind of pillowy texture to it. It's really lovely. And then we've got a flat closure, and it's got two magnetic press-stud fasteners. So I'll just pop that open so you can see those magnetic press-stud fasteners on each side. And then inside we've got two sections, so one open section at the front, and then we've got another section at the back, and that has a flat pocket just here. The condition of this one, we've called the exterior and the interior very good. It's in an almost kind of unused condition. There's just a few marks on it from where it's been stored. So you can see along the top where there's a couple of little indent marks, like that one, just along that flat closure on the top. So it just will have been where the chain's been sat on that leather and just kind of indented it a little bit. And it's a similar thing on the inside. Again, no particular signs of wear really, but just a couple of indent marks kind of here. And then you can see a little bit of creasing on that flat closure from where it's been closed. So that is why we've called it very good, because other than that, that interior is in a beautiful condition. And you can see there's no marks or anything like that for me to show you. Those corners are all still lovely. So in a very, very nice condition. The hardware was called excellent because there's no wear at all to the hardware. You can see that it's just in a stunning condition. There's no signs of wear for us to show you. It comes with, you can see attached to the handle, we've got the Kurt Geiger product tag, and then we also have a Kurt Geiger dust bag. And if you wanted to know the exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. It's the link to shop this exact bag on our website, so you'll find a few more details on it if you're interested. If you click that link and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but if you've seen this and you've fallen in love with it, don't forget you can get on our request list. It's really easy to do that. All you have to do is send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this and you're looking out for it, and we will get you on our request list, and as soon as we get in another one, you'll be one of the first to know. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements are going to be on the website, but I'll show you the size of me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", and you can have it with those double top handles. It's a really lovely, nice square shape that definitely stands out. Or you can have it with one long strap like that, and then you can pop it crossbody as well for a bit more on the go look. And I really like the length of this crossbody strap. It sits at the perfect height for me for a crossbody. So if you are interested in it, go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. You can use that code on your first purchase with us, so don't miss out on that. Have a look at the How to Sell with Us page as well if you're interested in selling any of your bags. We'd love to see what you've got for us, so have a read through there. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.